Welcome to the StatTree video module for Biserial Correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between a continuous variable and a categorical variable, the Biserial correlation would be appropriate. You will need one continuous variable and one categorical variable in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, age would be an appropriate continuous variable. An era of movie would be an appropriate categorical variable for this test. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose age as the first variable in the pair and era as the second variable in the pair. To run the Biserial correlation test for association, go to Analyze in the top menu, select Correlate, and choose Bivariate. When the Bivariate Correlations dialog box appears, select the age variable and press the arrow next to the variables box. Then select the era variable and press the arrow button next to the variables box. Both variables age and era should be included. Pearson should be selected under correlation coefficients. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion for the relationship between age and movie era. Here are your test results. You would report this figure as well as the sample sizes next to n. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.